In this video, I will show you how to create this stunning half-transparent strawberry effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up the canvas. Start by creating a new file in Photoshop. Set the width to 3000 pixels and the height to 2000 pixels. Step 2. Add the background image. Go to File menu, place Embedded, then select your background image. Click Place and resize the image to fit the canvas properly. Now go to Filter menu, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Increase the blur amount until the background is completely blurred out. Click OK when you're done. Step 3. Now we add the strawberry image. Again go to File, place Embedded and choose the strawberry image. Click Place, resize and position it as you need. By the way, you can find all the images used in this video in the description below. Now right click the strawberry layer and choose Rasterize layer. Then right click on the layer thumbnail and choose Select Pixels. This will create a selection around the strawberry. Now go to the toolbar, select the quick selection tool and hold Alt to subtract any unwanted areas from the selection. Take your time here so that you get a clean and accurate selection. Once your selection is ready, press Ctrl+J to duplicate it to a new layer. Rename this new layer as Transparent. Step 4. Isolate the strawberry seeds. Go to Select, Color Range. In the Select drop-down, choose Sampled Colors and then click OK on the color of the strawberry seeds. Adjust the fuzziness slider to fine-tune the selection and then click OK. Press Ctrl+J again to duplicate just the seed selection onto a new layer. Rename this new layer as Seeds. Now hide both the seeds layer and the original strawberry image layer. Step 5. Apply the transparency effect. Select the transparent layer. Change the blending mode from normal to screen. Next, go to Image, Adjustment, Desaturate. Then go to Image, Adjustments, Levels and adjust the shadows, midtones and highlights to create the desired transparent effect. Click OK once it looks good. Step 6. Slice the strawberry. Unhide the original strawberry layer. Right-click the transparent layer thumbnail and choose Select Pixels. Now select the main strawberry layer and from the toolbar use the polygonal lasso tool. Hold Alt to subtract half of the strawberry selection. Once selected, press the Delete key to remove that half. Step 7. Add the sliced half. Unhide the seeds layer. Select the main strawberry layer. Then go to File, place Embedded and choose the image of the sliced strawberry half. Click Place, hold Shift while resizing and position it perfectly to match the cut side. Step 8. Blend and refine. Select the transparent layer and click on the Add Layer Mask button. Now use the brush tool, set to black with low flow and low hardness and gently paint over areas where you want to reduce the transparency effect. Finally, select the main strawberry layer and use the eraser tool to clean up any unwanted edges. And there you have it. A beautiful half-transparent strawberry effect in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.